leg like this, I really use my core and it's very twisty. And then in the back it's essentially a cocktail. So we put that break at the end of our 20 Charleston stuff, and then we'll work down with 20 Charleston for this month. And just like danced, whatever. That was really cool to a whole song. Then we start with some kicks and some like 30 Charleston essentially. So we start with drills of single kicks, double kicks, quadruple kicks. We've got that, so it's just this. And then double kicks, and then quadruple kicks. Quadruple kicks, you can either just go them kind of like forward and back. You can go just forward, or you can go forward and back with a little bit of a twist, which I really like that. But again, that's not how you have to do it. You can choose it on who else. Our little combo was this. We have single, and double, quadruple, and then we're locked into the little turn. Yeah. On doubles, we also could do little pitch here. Somebody try that. We did that. Then we did airplanes. This thing. Practice that a bunch. And our little routinette was with around the world at the end. One like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, one more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The little transition coming out of the around the world, you could either keep kicking and restart it on the same side on the right, or you could go around the world